feathers.
Look how high we are. There's the castle. We're here at Magic Kingdom. We made it.
It's already a busy one.
Yeah, took the monorail. We didn't get here as early as we wanted to, but
we were very tired after yesterday.
Yeah,
so.
Very tired after yesterday, but it's going to be a good day. So the first place we're headed to is Frontierland.
We're gonna attempt to rope drop Big Thunder Mountain.
Oh yeah, we're going to Big Thunder Mountain right now in Frontierland.
They might not let us in for another like 20 minutes.
After that crazy frenzy with...
That was insane.
Yes, that was insane.
Do not run if you rope drop.
Yeah, don't run here. That was ridiculous. Sam made a really good comparison. It was like you were Jack Sparrow in the second Pirates movie, and all those like island people were like chasing after you. That's what it felt like. But we were like the first.
We were the first train of the day.
Yeah, first train of the day.
Which I've never happened to me.
Yeah. So now we're about to do Splash Mountain. That's what we're walking in the queue for right now.
It's a 20-minute wait, and last time we were here, we waited like 3 hours for this one. So we're gonna hop on this now while we.
Yep.
Levi got soaked. This may have been a mistake. Last time we went on Splash Mountain, it was literally just our faces that got splashed. So I was like, oh, I'll just throw on my pair of sunglasses and I'll cover my face and I'll be fine. And then the first drop, it was not even that big of a drop, but I got so splashed on my left side. My shorts are like soaked. I don't know if you can tell. But now I have wet jean shorts for the rest of the morning, so hopefully that dries fast. But we are gonna head to Haunted Mansion, I think, because that's only at a 15-minute wait, and then we're gonna try to double back for Pirates before our Jungle Cruise Lightning Lane.
Haunted Mansion, are you scared?
So scared.
Terrifying.
Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination?
I can tell it's a python, not a boa. It doesn't have any feathers.
What?
Stop it down.
Oh no.
Turn over. Please give her Felix, Miss Cruise. Stranded in the train and chased by a rhino or dark meat, white meat, dark meat, white meat, dark meat, the whole thing. So I guess in my hard time, please sit down for me. Like I said, legally, anytime.
Breakfast after our first few rides of Splash Mountain, Jungle Cruise, and Big Thunder Mountain, and we're gonna eat this before we go to Pirates of the Caribbean. Because we're doing the Buzz Lightyear, what's it called? Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Spin. We got a ride coming up here pretty soon. We're coming into Tomorrowland after being in Adventureland / Frontierland. Thank you. No line at all for us. We're gonna see who's gonna win.
What are we doing?
What are we doing? We're in the Monsters Inc. Laugh Floor line. We're waiting to get into the show.
We should be the next show.
Yeah, we were gonna do
The People Mover.
no, we were gonna do Space Mountain, and then we changed our mind to do People Mover, and then we changed our mind again.
Yeah, we're just trying to figure out which lines are worth waiting in right now, but we have a lightning lane for Splash Mountain. Even though we already went on it, we wanted to go on it again in the afternoon when it's going to be really hot, so.
Yeah, it's just super hot out, so we went inside.
But we're doing the, show me, the Worldle,
Yeah,
which is it's a hard word to say.
yeah, it is.
Worldle.
It's geography.
Levi's really good at this. He
just
got
take-
it in the first try one time.
What is the light?
Keep going.
Yoo-hoo! You're boring me! Wrap it up!
So we just did Splash Mountain for the second time.
Yes,
Yeah.
using our lightning lane.
Yeah, it didn't really get as wet. There's a few drops on me, but we were in the very back as opposed to the very front, so I liked it a lot more.
Yeah,
So right now we're at Pico's,
Bills.
Pico Bill's.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're getting tacos and nachos, refilling, cooling off because it's really hot out.
But it's 2:23 and we have a lightning lane for Big Thunder that starts at 2:30, so we're timing everything pretty well today,
Yeah.
which is cool. So yeah.
So what ride are we at now?
We're at Seven Dwarfs Minetrain.
Yep, Seven Dwarfs Minetrain. After,
We had about an hour to kill.
yeah, we have an hour to kill before our Genie Plus
Space Mountain.
Space Mountain reservation. So this will be a 70-minute wait, but this is the first time on Minetrain for the day. We've been on it before and another time we've been in the park. Yeah, just getting ready to get on it. Do the teacups next. Ready for this?
So ready.
I'm not gonna spin it too hard.
Please don't, we might throw up. You're scaring me. Last time we went on this, Levi spun it so fast and I was screaming at him to stop. And I almost threw up.
This is pretty gentle. Try to stop it.
Oh, I'm trying to go the other way. To even out the direction of the fluid in our canals. Science.
We have a tropical serenade Dole Whip. Some hog juice in the bottom, which is pineapple, orange juice, and guava juice. And then this is pineapple flavored ice cream, right?
No, it's coconut.
Oh, coconut. Sorry.
And there's a cake pop. I think it's a pineapple upside down cake pop.
Howdy, folks. And that was a good chat one more time. Howdy, folks.
Howdy.
I'm talking about how many of you guys are enjoying this beautiful Florida weather.
Howdy, folks. Welcome to the one and only original country band Jamboree.
Hey guys, just a little update. We're about to go on a Small World, which is right behind me. And we just got done for a second ride at Haunted Mansion because we used a Genie Plus booking. So we're about to go on a Small World. Going up, yeah. Look how high we are. There's the castle. I keep going. I don't know. I think it's stuck.
Oh well, this is fun. Hey guys, we are currently about to leave Magic Kingdom at 11 o'clock, so we really made the most of our day. Feeling pretty tired, definitely feeling it in our legs. But after fireworks, should I talk about fireworks?
Yeah, a little bit, yeah.
Okay, so we mobile ordered dinner from Casey's Corner, and my plan was to kind of find somewhere to sit, even if it was on the ground. But what ended up happening is as we were coming out of Casey's Corner, we basically got like moved to the middle of like the area in front of the castle where the fireworks were going to be. And it was really chaotic, and there was nowhere to sit, so we kind of just stood and like kind of ate while we were balancing all our different like baskets of stuff. Yeah, it was a little challenging, but the fireworks were really cool. That was awesome. And then as soon as fireworks were done, we ended up trying to sprint to Splash Mountain, kind of thinking that no one else would want to get soaking wet this late at night, but a lot of people had the same idea as us, so it was kind of a whole rush of people that way. But yeah, it was so fun to do it at night.
Yeah, and we did Big Thunder Mountain one more time at night. Then we also did Dumbo, which was fun. And then we ended with Minetrain twice.
Yes.
So
ended on a good note. And we had front row for one of those times.
Yeah, that was a lot of fun.
It was a lot of fun. All in all, a really good day, but we are exhausted and feeling it.
We gotta get some sleep and get ready for Animal Kingdom tomorrow.
Yeah, we're really excited for that one. So yeah, we'll bring you guys along for that too.